Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now today one more construction, that is construction of tangent to the circle outside of the point if center is known. This requirement is there is need a radius and a point outside of a circle. We need to get a pair, means two tangents will come from outside of a point. Now it is a rough diagram, a very important rough diagram. So you need to say take the circle and a point outside of a circle and you will get a two tangents. Clear? So the circle is clearly 6 centimeters. Is the question from the textbook. Okay. So two tangents from the point outside of a circle. So 6 centimeters is a very big. So that's why I'm taking a paper in the. So this is required. So అలా అయితే సరిపోదు పేపర్ మనకు. So that's why I'm doing like this. So first of all you need to take 6 centimeters of radius. 6 centimeters means you will get a 12 centimeters diameter. So it's a big, that's why I'm doing like this. So first of all you need to draw a circle with help of compass of 6 centimeters radius. So it's a textbook question. So 6 centimeters, he given that 6 centimeters and the one more information given, a point of P outside of 10 centimeters from center. Okay, now center known means if the radius is given, we know very well about the center. If the center is not mentioned, if the radius is not mentioned, we cannot find the center. So now I'm going to mark a point P outside of a circle of 10 centimeter from the center. Now this is the OP length is 10 centimeters. Now the next step, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector of OP. You know very well how to draw a perpendicular bisector of any line segment. So you take a radius more than half of OP, means OP length is 5 or 10 centimeters, half means 5, more than 5. You can take 6 centimeters and to draw the two arcs, then join these two arcs, you will get a line which is called as a perpendicular bisector of OP. The meaning of perpendicular bisector, it will be divide the OP into two equal parts and at the position M exactly 90 degrees. Now from M is a center, MO is a radius, you need to draw one more circle. Keep in mind M is a center. Either MO is a radius or MP is also a radius. Both are equal because M is called bisector, perpendicular bisector. So M is called a midpoint. So that's why MO and MP are equal. Now after drawing the circle, it will intersect the previous circle into two different places. So I marked the two different places and I joined. Then clearly these two line segments are clearly called tangents. Very simple construction. So make the names of two tangents at the points of old circle. So this is a construction of tangents. So keep in mind this length is 6 centimeters, this length 5, 4 and this is 5. So you will get the line segment, that means perpendicular bisector inside the big circle. Okay everyone, observe properly.